Want more control over your Mac without digging through complicated terminal commands? What if you could unlock 1,200 plus hidden and advanced Mac features with one simple app and pay just once? Let's take a quick look at MacPilot. MacPilot is a powerful Mac utility from Koingo Software that lets you customize, tweak, optimize, and explore your Mac through an easy-to-use interface. Instead of searching for terminal commands or digging through hidden system settings, MacPilot puts hundreds of advanced options in one place. Right now, Stack Social is offering the MacPilot lifetime license for just $39. The suggested price is $99, so you're saving 59%. And this is a lifetime license. With all minor and major software upgrades included, you can also use the license on up to 3 devices. Here are a few things MacPilot can do. Unlock 1,200 plus Mac features and tweaks, show hidden files and customize Finder, customize your dock with spacers and smart stacks, run maintenance tasks and system cleanup tools, explore advanced network information and utilities, view detailed system information, ports, error codes, and more. And buyers seem to like the convenience. One verified buyer said MacPilot puts many Mac options at their fingertips. Another user mentioned that it provides access to settings that would normally require terminal commands and makes them much easier to use. That's a big reason MacPilot can be useful for Mac users who want more control without constantly working in terminals. So, if you want to unlock more of your Mac's hidden power with a simple interface, the MacPilot lifetime license on Stack Social for $39 is definitely worth checking out. If you want to grab this lifetime deal, you'll find the link in the description. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more software deals and quick reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.